9. I was living with 3 roommates and our toilet needed fixing one day. The landlords came by and we showed them to the bathroom with the 2 plumbers they had brought. There were at least 6 people in this room and one of the plumbers looks at only me, and starts speaking in Russian to me. I don't speak Russian. He then says in English, "Oh, you don't speak Russian?" I replied, "No." He gave me a look and went about his plumbing business. Okay, that was odd. 2 hours later, I was in a shop at a mall and had been discussing some items with a sales clerk. We'd been talking for some time, and she had an accent that sounded Russian. I have an American accent. Toward the end of our conversation she asks, "Have you ever been to Russia?" I reply, "No." Okay, not weird, as she's from Russia. But then she says, "There's someone in Russia who looks just like you." I'm mildly convinced I'm a sleeper agent or that I have a Russian twin.